All right, so with Bo, yeah, we know he's a little overweight, so we're working that off him a little bit. That's going to help him be smooth. But the other thing too is just getting him collected up. What I've been working on is getting his face collected, and when I tell him to do something, to go on and do it, because he was a little lazy. So, and that gives you that rough trot canter thing that he was doing. We got to get him right into the canter so it's smoother for you. I'll show you his face. Before, if you just touched his face, he stopped. What I want to do is get him so that when I touch his face, he just collects it up but keeps moving forward. And we'll keep his face collected when we run. And anytime you need to slow him down a little bit, you can just hold his face without him stopping. Okay? That's what we've been working on, and then I'll show you his canters. All right, so then I'll show you his canter. Bo is broke really, really well. He crosses over nice at the trot and all. Now all we gotta do to pick up the canter is use our outside leg, and we wanna make sure we tell him that we're serious. Like, see that right there? That's kind of his junk that you felt the other day, where he was just kind of rough. I'm gonna make him smooth right here. All right, so we'll pick, this is the way he ought to do it here. We're gonna use our left leg back just a little bit, and a little kiss. And he picks up that lope right there, which is good and smooth.
Dave's going to take him through this pattern, which has 2 left lead big barrel turns. Gets his hip up under him there, drives through. Sets his hip under him again, goes around nice. Now he's going to go up and just do a barrel turn on the left lead, which tends to be his stiffer side. Just a little bit to hold him off the barrel. And then he drops right around it. One more turn to the left. Dave can put him right on top of the barrel. Okay, so now we're going to do a right-handed barrel turn. Holds him off the barrel, drops him into it, and drives him out of it. This time he's going to do a barrel turn to the right a little faster, driving him up in there with more speed, and driving him out of it.